And welcome back to beautiful Pelican Harbor and 79th Street Boat Ramp down in Miami. And welcome back to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. Our crew sees the camera, they've gotten a little excited. Let's see, oh, Cap's getting a little excited, heavy throttle hand as well, as he decides to go ahead and make approach on the dock. So we've got Wifey in the bow on the ready. Cap hits that throttle a little heavy one more time, swings it around. Hopefully he can control it a little closer to the dock without getting a little heavy on that throttle hand. And Cap's going to turn that bow into the dock. Going to go heavy bow in on this one. Wifey on the bow, on the ready. And she's got one hand on the dock. Goes to get the line around. Cap's gonna leave the helm, gonna bypass her, go up and get the job done himself. Always a risky move, but Cap's got the lines and he'll be able to get this one pulled over. And our crew is making the slow roll approach in on the dock. Extremely slow roll approach, but you know what? I can't knock him on that one. Once again, never approach the dock any faster than you're willing to hit it, and my man could absolutely ram the dock at this pace, and it probably isn't going to matter much. Soft touch as we approach. Hands on the dock. Looks like we could be good to roll. Just got to get some lines up there. So it looks like Wifey goes for the toss on the front. Big boy on the back, going for the stretch. But he's pushing the boat off the stern, off the dock. Trying to get around, foot on. Oh, not a wise idea. There's oysters all over that. And he is barefoot. Not one I would recommend at all. And big guy's struggling here. Nope, not gonna go that way. Now we're kicking it back off again. And now we're both feet on the dock and gonna have to pull it back over. Cap's gotta be getting a kick out of this one. And here we go. Oh, big boy almost had it. No, back down one more time as he's denied again as he goes for the stretch. Neon, and this time we'll get it. And he'll get it up there. Full effort here, but line on the dock. And here goes Cap. Oh, this is the best part. Look at how easy Captain gets up. So our young lady here has slid off the dock with two jet skis. And she's trying to hold both. But she kind of looks a little confused, like, what am I supposed to do now? And she's trying to hang on to both. But the real trick part is going to be trying to get both these back over to the dock. So it looks like she's going for the startup. And she started her ski. Now she's going to have to swing this one all the way back around, though. This is actually way more difficult than it looks. I mean, we see some of the pro jet ski guys. When I say pro, we get some of the jet ski rental companies that come in here all the time. And I've watched a couple guys do this where they'll put one foot on the ski and not dock, but take both skis onto the trailer at once. But if it's not something you're doing on a daily basis, it's not easy to do. It's not easy to tow or maneuver anything on a ski besides the ski you're on. As we can see, she is struggling. And back started again. Kind of got toes on one now. Sliding out of the screen as the wind is blowing from right to left across the screen. And she's just going to slip right on by. Now, we didn't get it on camera, but our girl had to be saved. Somebody came over there and helped her, but Here we are 2 minutes later after she got saved. She's sliding off the dock again. The guy who saved her is the guy loading the ski up here on the Jeep right now. Her friend's trying to grab her. And they're missing. Oh my, I'll have to kind of cut this one out, guys. YouTube and their new policies. She was just dancing a little bit. We can't show it, unfortunately, but still she's sliding off the dock. And Homeboy's coming back to try and rescue her again. So she's just sitting here like, thank you. And he's going to have to come back over and try and push these skis back over to the dock. But she looks like she's having fun out there at least. Our guy was laughing about it when he had to go get her. So I can't say much about that, but she's kind of missed the dock and she's kind of back in a bad spot again, but I'm sure he'll get her pushed over just like he did the last time. Crew's coming in on approach. On the ready. We got a guy in the bow. Of course, we've got some bow rail acrobatics that will have to be performed to get over the bow rail. Making toward the easy approach. And 1 foot on the boat, 1 foot off. There we go, both on, hanging onto the bow rail. No, we're in reverse. They're going to pull off. Wisely, he let go. I mean, that's a whole lot better than hanging on. We've seen that one happen as well, and you wind up hanging off the front of the boat. So Cap's going to try and bring this one back around. And they will turn it in toward the dock. And it looks like they'll be good to go from here. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.